It's a triple, but they only have 2 things open. You want me to ride with you guys, or do you want to?
We're gonna wait for her. You guys go.
Alright.
So they not sometimes not stand on?
Probably.
This one doesn't work as good as the other.
Do you want to head up?
You go to the right one, it's gonna be fast.
Yeah, sure.
I'm sorry, walk right here. That was walking. Yeah.
You didn't know that was me?
Good one, guys.
What was he saying about the cards?
Since bad scan, and one was for something else.
I don't know. Mine worked fine.
Just put my hand right up to it.
Yeah, having it in the glove is awesome.
That was a good idea. Oh my god, those guys, they're like ready to roll.
What?
Ready to roll.
Yeah. So Walker, you can go be with the boys, you can be with us, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, look, definitely feel free to do whatever. They're going to want to probably do like super gnarly stuff, which you like.
This is gonna be a long ass chair.
What's that, bud?
This is gonna be a long chair.
Okay. Got all day.
Is this why you didn't want to go on this one?
Yes.
I don't know why I did.
It goes to like a different point, I think.
Yeah.
But then you could connect to other lifts. So.
I think going here gives you an option to do like hard stuff and broom stuff. So.
Yeah, I think that's what they meant.
We can do whatever.
Probably be a lot of contrails today.
Absolutely. Sun was nice.
I know.
I heard something.
That looks like fun. There. Yeah, how was your latest, how's the sciatic thing doing?
I'm just trying not to think about it too far.
Okay, that's good.
It's generally fine.
Good.
Like, I can do all of my exercises and fitness stuff, so you can get used to just keep working each way out, agitated.
Be a little crusty to start with.
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Well, the drink
Well, like
is-
that stuff
Yeah.
will be a little,
Yeah,
just
stuff.
because of being
Cold.
cold overnight.
Yeah.
But it got like an inch of powder on top of it, so that'll be nice. Exactly.
You remember that one day at Wyndham when we did the East Peak chair and they had gotten like 4 inches of snow? We were like, oh, this would be so fun.
Yeah.
And the powder, when you pushed it off, it's just all ice.
Yes.
That was.
Yeah, because I remember
was
it was
scary.
like skiing one way on top and then on the bottom.
See,
Yeah?
We are similarly dressed, so we can find each other.
I know. Well, Walker's always easy because of this.
I didn't know that was Walker when he was talking. I'm like, oh, go ahead.
Yeah, it's like he's got the head mount and then he's got his Brunswick jacket.
Okay.
Also
And-
not.
Ellie's easy to find too.
Yeah.
You won't lose me. And you won't lose Luke.
What's he in?
He's got yellow. Loud yellow.
Good.
Slow.
Yeah, the light's pretty flat now.
I mean, but in here it's not that dangerous because
Yeah.
it's groomed.
Well, this is nice to come over here too, though. Try this.
I have a feeling that's going to be pretty crusty to start with, Reed.
Yeah.
Be my guess. Given what Walker said yesterday about the snow.
Yeah, it's just heavy yesterday. How many chairs ahead were those guys?
I don't know.
All right.
Luke has a PBR jacket.
All right.
Did you say PBR?
Bill.
Like Pabst jacket?
Oh, Dad, look up.
Yeah.
What?
Oh,
Like the
wow.
beer?
Yes, and he stopped it.
Beautiful. What kind of plane is that, bud?
I don't know, probably a 737 or something. It looks decently small. Also, that's not a bad guess because it's a United hub out of Denver, and that's probably out of Denver. And Southwest also flies a ton out of there. So
Yeah, those guys flew Southwest.
majority of the traffic there is 737s. So this looks fun.
Yeah. For
No,
you.
yeah, for me, exactly. I wonder if there are like really any lifts out east that are like as steep as something like this. It's like this is pretty damn steep. I feel like Barker gets pretty steep at one point. Or
Yeah.
Well, Smugs.
yeah. Oh yeah, Smugs, you're right.
Smugs.
That one's actually really steep.
Yeah.
Yeah, Madonna. Oh, this is also another good jump.
Yeah.
Yeah,
With
this
my-
looks soft. This looks great.
The funniest thing at Sunday River is the markers underneath Barker, so you don't like get decapitated by someone in skis.
Hell yeah. So pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. So beautiful here. Trees. It's like
Also, the trees out here feel like they're way taller.
They
than
are
east.
higher up.
Oh yeah, doesn't that mean they can grow taller or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
There's another one.
Pretty view.
Dad,
feel good.
another one.
I know, I hear it.
It's loud.
It's unbelievable here. It's just so pretty.
Can't believe guys at school said that Aspen sucks.
You know.
Each his own.
Yeah.
Everybody's pretty proprietary about where they
Yeah.
ski.
I mean, it's like, look, if you were here and it's like super, I mean,
Finally.
talking about like Aspen, super crowded, you know, I could see saying that, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta do slopes at the top.
Oh, Alpine's over there.
In the sun, it's warm.
Yeah, the sun is really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's wherever it's super sunny, I assume that's what those are.
Dude, it's empty.
I know.
I wonder where that other chairlift ends. Okay.